A 17-minute video showcasing the tortures of Nanjing people by Japanese soldiers. The cameraman was John McGee, a then 53-year-old U.S. missionary who risked his life to record history. Nanjing was China's capital back in 1937, and the Japanese army's invasion at the time inflicted a ruthless massacre and inhumane treatment on its people. Dead bodies could be seen everywhere, from ponds to farming land. As McGee put it, thousands of civilians were carried to riverbanks and other vacant spaces and were killed by machine guns, bayonets, rifles, and even hand grenades. A 19-year-old woman also appeared on the missionary's video. Li Xiuying was bayoneted after resisting a raid by Japanese soldiers. She was found with about 30 wounds all over the body. Li had been pregnant with her first baby. McGee appeared in court as an eyewitness in 1946 when Japanese war criminals were tried by the Far East International Military Tribunal. And his documentary served as weighty evidence a year later when the war criminals were put on trial by the Nanjing Military Court. Also among the newly released evidence is a diary kept by Ms. Cheng Rui-Fang, also known as the Chinese Anne Frank. The diary, the only Chinese journal which documented the whole atrocity, spans from November 1937 to March the following year. It depicts stories of what Cheng saw, heard, and thought about the violence committed by the Japanese soldiers. The new release also includes a statement by U.S. missionary Cyril Bates at Nanjing Military Court in February 1947. He explains in detail the atrocities performed by the Japanese, such as the killing and raping, and reiterated that everything was very real.